Hi, and welcome to our sixth Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they call me DJ. I am from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS, and I'll be your guide here today. Today we're going to be talking about just a few items on the toolbar. Excuse me. My goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting and software, and many more. So let's begin. The items that we're going to be reviewing today is add and remove columns, Autofit column width, and Autofit row height. So let's take a look. I've done up an Excel spreadsheet for you so that I could show you some of these examples. One thing I want to say really right from the get-go that is so important is to always hit on Ctrl Save. That's Control and the letter S. In case of a power failure, a surge, a storm, anything, if you do not continually save your document, when the power surge happens, you will lose everything you just did. So it's very important periodically while you're working on an Excel spreadsheet to hit the Control S. If a power surge happens, you will only have the information saved from the last time you hit Control S. So I just want to make sure that is very, very important. Just want to make sure that you do that every now and then. Okay, here's the spreadsheet in the worksheet area that I devised for you so that you can see typically how the information is input. This is a very fun program. You can design it however you wish. You can take your logo from PowerPoint, insert it. You can insert photos, whatever it is that you wish. So you get to be creative. So it's I call it a very fun program. Okay, so first what I'm going to show you is adding and removing columns. Okay, to add, what you want to do first is go in the top left-hand corner and click on Home. Typically, what that will do is will bring up this area going back and forth here at the top that has a lot of your tools on it. Okay, so what you want to do is click on the top of any column. Okay, and we're going to be, this function we're doing is adding a column. So let's click on top of the H. Okay. Then what you want to do is click on the word Insert. So we did Home first. Then over here where it says Cells, if you go up to the top and you point at that arrow, it's going to tell you what that does. Okay, that will insert a column for you. So we're going to go ahead on Insert, and we're going to click on this, and then we're going to go down to Insert Sheet Columns. Now, when we click on it, watch the column H. See how it moved it over and inserted another column? Let's go ahead at the top left and click on Undo. Okay, so you can see this again. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on Insert and click on Sheet Columns. See how that inserts another column for you? I'm going to take that back, okay? Then, to remove that column H, we would go and we click on Home. Your tools are already up, which is great. Okay, you click on the top of your column here, okay, that you want to remove, and then click on Delete. So we go up here to again to the cell area where it says Delete. Click on your down area, and it will give your choices. Then what you want to do is Delete Sheet Columns. See how it's gone? How nice is that? Okay, so let's undo that so we can go to the next one. Next, we're going to hit Auto Fit Column Width. Okay, to change the column width using Autofit, again, you would click on Home. You know, let's say you were in Review, okay? Then you'd want to click on Home to bring your main toolbar back again. And then you go ahead and you click on the cell. And then you click on the word Format. So here in the cell area, we've learned all three today. Now we're going to look at Format. So you go ahead and click on your down area. arrow, excuse me, please, and then you would go and pick your category, okay? And what we're looking at is Autofit column width. Do you see that on the drop-down menus? Okay, here's your column width, and here's your Autofit. Okay, so if you go ahead and click on that, see how it automatically extended itself? Let's take a look at that again. Let's undo, go back to Format, Autofit column width, okay? And again, it's going to make it, let's say if you have 30 characters in a cell, it will make that column just big enough to fit that 30 characters. So So here you go, Autofit column width. There you go. Let's take that back so I have the sample saved for the next class. The next thing we're going to look at is Autofit row height. Now what that's going to do, it's going to adjust your height in the column. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. We're going to go over here to line 15. See how it was too long, and we had the wrap text, which is up here in the center of your toolbar. Let's make that column a little bit longer. Okay, see how we made it longer in length here? Okay, we are going to show you now how the system will do an auto fit for the height. So what you do for that is you click on the cell, okay? For instance, this is the cell we're going to change. We're going to change the row height automatically. And I'm also going to show you how to do it manually too. You go up to the cell area again in the word format. You click on your down arrow. Boy, why don't I say that 10 times without coffee, right? Murphy's Law. You try to be perfect. You can't always be perfect, so it's okay. Just laugh about it and go on, right? There you go. Okay. Now what you want to click on is Auto Home Height. So let's go ahead and go right here. We passed it. Here we go. Auto row height. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and click on that and watch what happens to the area to the left on line 15. Okay, when I click on that, it's going to automatically change it and adjust it auto for you. Now let's say, here's one thing, I just kind of like to do it myself. I don't know why. Let's take a look at 11 for office supplies. If you click right on this line, you can manually drag it up. Let's do this to line 15. Let's say I want it a little bit wider in length. I would just drag this down. Oh, too much? Okay, well, put it back up again. See, so you can also do it manually. So you can do the auto format or you can do it manually. I do a lot of them manually just because I'm there and it's quick to drag and drop. But it's totally up to you. There's so many features that Excel has to offer that will produce extremely professional documents. We have reviewed only a few today, and please note that you can review any one of them as many times as you like. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these podcasts and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you for taking the time to invest in your future and learn more about Excel. We would be happy to provide you with a complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and, for future growth of your company to assist you further. This is DJ signing off. I'd like to take the time to thank you for your time and consideration for joining our podcast video. Please feel free to check in again to see the next podcast video by Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Have a great day. Bye now.